Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
This is regarding clinical trials of Covaxin vaccine, which is proposed in Redkar Hospital-Dhargal, Goa. We are supposed to start this study on 7th of July as per the ICMR letter, but because of protocol amendment, we finished first 50 subjects in AIMS Delhi, AIMS Patna, NIMS Hyderabad and PGI Rohtak. So based upon these 50 patients safety data, we are starting screening activities in Redkar Hospital, Goa from upcoming Monday, 20th of July, and my company will coordinate with Central Lab in National Institute of Virology, Pune, and Bharat Biotech Central Lab, and we will coordinate this study, entire study, with ICMR, DCGI, and Redkar Hospital. So we are starting this study from Monday. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Redkar, Principal Investigator of Covaxin project, the joint venture between ICMR and Bharat Biotech. This is to update you all about the progress of trial. So far, 50 subjects have been enrolled across the sites at AIMS Delhi, Patna, PGI Chandigarh and Nizam Institute of Medical Sciences, Hyderabad, with no adverse reactions. We are also done with all the documentations and permissions. Monday onwards, we will start enrolling the subjects. It all will be COVID negative subjects. We are aiming for around 100 to 125 subjects for phase 1 and phase 2, where phase 1 is safety and phase 2 will assess the efficacy. We are hoping to finish enrollment and trial as early as possible. Thank you.
राज्यात लॉकडाऊन सुरू मात एसेन्शियल सर्व्हिस म्हूण आशिल्ली किराणा माल दुकानां बंद. सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग पाळिना म्हूण पुलिसांनी चडशे कडेन दुकानां बंद केली. दक्षिण गोंयच्या एसपीन SGPDA मार्केटात वचून इन्स्पेक्शन केले. गोंयांत भायल्यान येवपी मालाच्यो गाडयो चालू आशिल्ल्यो. लॉकडाऊनात चडशा लोकांनी स्वता जावन दुकानां बंद केल्ली. कांय जाणांनी पुलिसांच्या भयान दुकानां बंद दवरिल्ली.